Hello friends, I've got a new poem I wrote yesterday. It's called Fireworks Frank. In the waiting room of the doctor's office, a jolly fellow suddenly rose to his feet and grinned. And as he stood, he put his arms out in benediction, and a halo appeared behind his head, and a shimmering robe-like garment encloaked him. A lady looked up and saw him and crossed herself. And soon several others followed suit, more or less. "Peace be unto you, and you, and you," he said. "But not you," he added sternly to the astonished fellow by the door. "Not until you stop cheating on your taxes." "All right," the fellow gasped and rushed out the door. "Who believes in God Almighty?" he intoned. All raised their hands. "Well, that makes all but one of us, folks. Me, I'm not so sure. I do look a lot like St. Francis of Assisi, and if you like, I can make birds and beasts eat out of my hand. Something that looks like birds and beasts anyway. But in reality, I'm just Fireworks Frank." And at this, the holy vestments disappeared, and fireworks burst from his head. Your friendly pyrotechnic nano-manipulator, just a few years ahead of his time. And the guy by the door? Just a lucky guess. Fireworks Frank then handed out seemingly magical business cards with moving and changing information and images. And before he knew it, business was booming. The only businesses he refused to do business with were churches. The end. Thanks for listening, folks.